This is our version of the 7.62 by 39. We took a Savage Axis, we've rebarreled it, we dropped a kit into it, new bolt head, and little gunsmith work, and it turned out a really nice rifle. We've been shooting a few times today, but we're going to add a little more to the video. Okay, we want to show how this shoots different types of cartridges made by different companies. Some of them are a little different. The first one we're going to put in is made by Norinco. It's a non-corrosive steel case, 7.62 by 39. We'll shoot it first. We do have a target set up, and we'll go look at that. I think we're going to shoot 4 different brands at the same target, and then we're going to shoot again, and we'll go up there and we'll see about where these hit. They may carry a pattern. Here we go. Okay, the next round we're going to shoot with is a Winchester. These are more expensive cartridge, but they're manufactured to be more accurate, made in the USA, and they do cost a little bit more. Okay, our third round is a Russian type cartridge. It's a hollow point, but it is Russian made. It's even got made in Russia on the side of the box. I'm going to shoot that one next. Okay, and last, we're going to go with a Tula ammo. This is probably your cheapest rounds that you can buy, other than Wolf, but they carry and run pretty much a close race as cost and accuracy. That building up there, that's where we were shooting from, and this is the 200-yard target we have set up. Now 200 yards right there. You can tell the 3 in the center were where we finally got the scope adjusted after the rounds that you see around it. So it took a little bit to adjust the rifle to hit from 100 to 200 yards. Guys, we appreciate you watching the video today. We hope you enjoyed it. We kind of wanted to show our rifle, and as you can tell, we shot a good bit today. The rest of them's laying on the ground.